Nope, I died from a grenade.
And that drag. Drag had the most clutch grenade.
Alright. This is like the old school Vault of Glass days, man. 50 seconds waiting on a trooper. Oh, no, we can't. We might have to, though.
I mean, I'll keep going. I don't care.
I want to win this, man. I haven't won any of them yet.
This is making trials like a whole lot easier, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, Clayton said Void Burn, Atheon's epilogue. Got all stoked.
Alright, I'm super.
I'll take it over all this.
Yep, let's do it. Yeah.
You face Skolas, the fallen kill of kills.
Alright, stay alive, stay bright-eyed, kill the fuck out of him.
Teleported, son of a bitch.
Get out of there.
Did you hear him laugh at me? He said, hey.
There he is.
Nice!
Let's move. We gotta move, guys.
I got a bubble.
Yeah, let's use it. Kill these ass.
I'm poisoned.
Alright, I'll take it next.
Where are we going?
Let me know when you're like 12 seconds.
Alright.
When I take it, we're gonna...
Alright, I'm at 10 seconds.
We're gonna go.
10 seconds.
Let's go. Alright, I'm at 12 seconds, but wait a little while. I'll let you know when I'm closer. 10.
Alright, I can't take it.
Take it. I know, it's gotta be... Yep. So Big C, you should be able to take it next.
Yep.
Whoa, hi.
Holy shit.
Back out.
I got 10 seconds.
Where you at?
5, 7, 6.
I got it.
Alright, let's keep moving. Still add.
Damn it, I died.
I got 13 seconds.
Exam.
9 seconds. We gotta go get him, huh?
Eventually.
Yep.
Well, you got how much seconds left? I need you to get down.
I'm up in 3, 2, 1. Careful, there's
Attempt
a
to
vandal.
cross.
Oh no. Sorry.
Guardian down.
Go.
Fuck! There's too many ads.
No. Alright, I used my Thunderlord that time while you guys were using your machine guns. So, and that worked really well. Let's try that again.
Yeah, I was using my rocket launcher and you were using that Thunderlord. It helped a lot.
I was using patience and time, so.
Yeah, that staggers him.
Alright, well, I'll focus on
I have my
I'll do,
super.
you know what? Should I interval it so I just constant stagger him? That way you guys don't have to deal with his teleporting?
Yeah.
So, like, shoot him, then wait till he's ready, then shoot him again, then wait till he's
Yep.
ready, then shoot him. Alright, cool.
Yep.
That'll be my job. I'll stagger him. You guys just nail into him.
Alright, ready?
No, not yet. I need 40 seconds.
Alright.
So I can get heavy ammo.
Stagger this bitch.
Clayton heard him laugh at me. It's a little late, but yeah.
I'm gonna do Weapons of Light for the first one, and then I'm gonna change it before my second bubble.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Almost. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Good to go.
He broke his chains again, guys, so we can do it.
You face Skolas, the fallen.
The thing is after breaking the chains, we gotta get damage on that bastard. I really hope that fucking rocket wasn't hitting him well. Alright, I got 5 on him that time.
I think it's every 2 shots I was staggering, because every shot wouldn't do it. I have to do like every couple of them.
There he is.
Guardian down.
Oh. Did you break his chains?
No.
Almost.
I thought that was the sound of breaking his chains. That's what my face breaking.
Oh shit.
I'm about to put up a panic level. Never mind, I'm dead. Fucking Scorch Cannon. See, what the fuck, dude?
I forgot I had patience and time and I can do this shit.
Right. You have plenty on the body, though.
There's one right behind you.
You're invisible.
Oh, I got sniped.
I'm up on the wall, Volter. You're not gonna be able to get me.
No! Oh. You have your super?
Yeah, I got my super, but let me make sure I got no ammo. I got 2 minutes on a fucking cooldown for everything. I got a rocket launcher, 1 rocket, no special.
I wonder if I should switch to my Titan, since we'll have the taint. We might have to move as a group anyway to dismantle the mines. So I don't know if I should be my Titan or not. That way we can also have a 3rd bubble.
Yeah, if you want to.
Have you done it on your
Fine with
Titan
me.
already?
No.
No, we haven't done it on it. I mean,
Yeah, man. I mean, we're gonna have to move together for the mines anyways, most likely, because it's gonna be hard to dismantle them bastards either way.
Or I'm the leader. Alright, hold on, I gotta promote you. So we don't leave, because that'd be bad.
I don't see how anyone's beating this. I guess they're magic, bro. They're skilled players. I think.
I wonder if there's any other strategy we're not looking, we don't know about.
I'm looking up right now. Give us a few minutes. This video, they're running up to the left. Pretty much the same spot. They literally just kept him stunned with sniper rifles. Yeah.
Huh.
The problem is though when he teleports, if he gets the chance, then that fucks us all up because we don't know where the fuck he's going.
Right. Let's see if there's another strategy.
Oh wait, they don't know about it? I wish it was hippie, my bad. Oh, about it, I was with... Wait, gotta be some Reddit cheesing going on. Gotta use that vent, LOL. Oh wait, they don't know about it. I was with hippie, my bad. Oh, well, hang on. Let me see. You know what? I'm gonna go talk to Ram and Ted really quick and see if they got through it and ask them about it. I'm gonna switch to the other chat. Come on, man. There we go. Yo, guys. You guys get through that 35 yet?
No, we did a
Nah,
34.
we just decided to do 34 on our other characters. It's getting too late for that shit.
Well, has you gotten through it at all? On any of your characters? No?
Not this
Nope.
week, no.
It's pretty fucking
Not so far.
difficult. We're doing it with Ark, and me, Revolter, and Da Vinci, and we're having some troubles. I was trying to find out if you guys had any good lucks.
So,
Fourth
do
Horseman.
you know? Yeah, do you know if they have Fourth Horsemen's? And what's your guys' characters?
We're all running Titans now.
Okay. Does anybody have Fourth Horsemen?
I don't know. I do.
Okay.
What's the deal with the Fourth
'Cause
Horseman?
We saw a video of people using.
Clayton says hi, by the way.
Oh, Clayton. They were using the bubble to kind of stop his melee attack, and they were just jumping in and out of the bubble using the Fourth Horseman on him, and they melted him in like
30 seconds. It was 30. It was 30 seconds.
Holy
So
shit.
they all had Fourth Horsemen's, and they all just got up in his face and just blasted the fuck out of him. But they stayed like nice and protected in the bubble too.
But
I
their
think it's
Fourth
within the
Horsemen
first
were
second.
completely upgraded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
have a completely upgraded fucking Fourth Horseman.
Well, if you can get as high as you can, like if you can ascend it and shit.
Oh, damn. Clayton says fuck you too, Ted. Oh, it's all bad. Ah, you guys are crazy. Damn it, man.
The other option would be dropping a weapons of light bubble and everyone using maxed out Field Scout sniper rifles, like arc sniper rifles.
Okay.
You know,
Don't
patience
miss.
and time.
I got patience and time.
You know, fully maxed out patience and time. Anything 365 with Field Scout. And if you guys just, you know, keep bombarding him, as soon as you get past, if you're going to use that strat, as soon as you hear the chains break, you got to send one person to the far side to go take care of that that first dismantle. So I would send over someone who didn't pop their bubble yet.
Gotcha.
And just have them swoop from the outside. And then once he's on you in that area, that's when the other two kind of switch to rockets and just keep bombarding him from there.
Damn, man. Alright, I might have to give up
save the
some.
bubbles, dude. If the three of you guys are rocking Titans, like save your bubbles. Have, you know, time them out. Have one person pop it for the first, you know, attack.
Yeah.
Have the next person pop it, you know, for that far side. And then if you gotta, you know, pop an emergency one when you're capping that last one, just for the, you know, before you get to the next round, do it.
Yeah, so either Fourth Horsemen's or really fast fire rate arc shotguns or snipe is basically your best options.
Damn, son.
You could do it, dude. You guys got this.
No, I know. We've broken the chains a few times. It's just we keep getting our asses
Well, it's
kicked
just
after
it's the fuckery after that. No, you gotta be quick on it after that. Breaking the chains is easy.
All
But when
right.
you break the chains, you're already halfway there, so you just have to keep doing what you're doing, basically.
Faux show. Alright, man. Well, I'll let you know tomorrow or not if I haven't gotten it done.
Good luck, man.
Oh, Clayton says to use Necrochasm. Are you fucking kidding me?
No, dude, so good. He's right. Yeah.
I can't use
That's a good
Necrochasm
strat.
and my fucking space time at the same time. It don't work.
Necrochasm strat. That's good.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that one posted yet. Clayton must be working for the video.
It's just,
Skull off melted with necrochasms.
Yeah,
That'd
no.
be hilarious.
You'll see one of them.
Yeah, no shit. Alright. Damn it. Alright, guys. Oh? Oh? Son of a bitch. No! Alright. They say to keep doing what we're doing. And maybe
Did they beat
since
it?
South... No, they didn't even try. They say it's getting too late now, so they're not even going to try. They just did another 34 on their other characters. So basically, there's a Fourth Horseman strat that people are using if you have a Fourth Horseman fully upgraded. And then pop a bubble and he gets up on you and people were jumping in and out of their bubble, blasting him with the Fourth Horseman and melting him in like 45 seconds.
Wow.
I have one of those, but it's not upgraded.
Yeah, I have one too that's not upgraded.
I'm watching a strat that pretty much is our strat and works, so we're gonna try and edit that.
Alright, I'm down.
The only difference
Did
is I'm
you-
using Galahorn now.
Did you want to grab your hunter, or do you want to?
Yeah, I'll grab my hunter.
Okay.
Oh, what are you grabbing your hunter for? Make sure I'm party leader.
I can't. You're leader. Oh, no, I'm leader, but it's not showing anyone in my fire team.
Yeah, it's doing the
Here,
same thing to me.
Let me join, and then I'll you can just change it to me.
It says I'm the only person in my fire team, and then on my game page it says we're on the same game.
Yep, me too.
Yeah, it gives me the option to invite you to my fire team. What the fuck's
Don't do
going
that.
on? It says fire team joining and disabled. Uh-oh.
Can you
Oh,
get
that's
him, Da
weird.
Vinci?
We broke
We're gonna have to
Destiny.
wipe them.
Let me try.
Yeah, let's go
Python
wipe.
is- yeah, I think I can
Let's
have to
go.
wipe.
I'm gonna go up there and give him a. I'm gonna go up there and give him a
The
kiss.
traitor. Kill.
Say hey, buddy.
Alright, I'm joining now.
No. It still says we're on our secret. Oh, there it goes. I can't dance. What the fuck's going on here? Damn. You said yo Vex gear, man. You crazy, man. You crazy.
What?
I said you ascended your Vex gear, man. You crazy. You crazy.
Me?
Nah,
Yeah.
it's all good.
Oh, I just joined Ram's party by accident.
It happens. We'll probably have to die anyways.
I am already matchmaking. Ram's gonna be real surprised when I show up with him and Dead in the fire team.
I should have
I
made
roll
some
with
top ramen when we were
blessing?
doing this.
Armor or weapons?
Not armor. Probably blessings.
You guys, okay, one of us should definitely run weapons. Because weapons are going to help the sniper rifles build up. And then we run blessings after that.
Yeah, run. Yeah, I guess
You
that's
guys
true.
run blessings and I'll run weapons the whole time.
Well, no, I'm going on my hunter.
Oh, okay.
But Big T, that means you gotta drop the first bubble.
Okay, I'm running weapons.
Fire team joining disabled. You gotta die.
I know. I'm going to go ahead and kiss this guy again. Oh, shit. Alright, my DualShock battery is getting low. I gotta charge it. Alright, Skull killed me. I'm dead.
What about you, Da Vinci?
Going on to Python.
What you shining your flashlight over here for like a dumbass? You trying to... I will shoot you. Stupid ass neighbors. Fucking around their yards at midnight and shit, being dumb. Flashlights making me all paranoid and shit. Got you covered, dog. Smith & Wesson. Ready to go. Alright. Were you able to join us this time?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, that's cool. You guys are on the same fire team. That's cute. Come on. What'd you say, man? My phone didn't pick it up that time. Don't join. Hang on. I gotta check and see what this guy said. Oh, nothing. I just left. That's what happened. Alright.
Hold on, I'm using the wrong sniper.
What's up, Glowwho, with the level 34?
It's not Glowwho.
Oh, damn. Sorry.
Check it out. That's the one you get from beating 35.
Yeah, I'll use mine too.
Oh, this is the one you get when you beat this?
Yeah.
Cool. Ship's cool, too. My Taurus is faster, though. Oh, that's where you get the emblem. That emblem's pretty fucking wicked, too. I like that emblem. Alright, let's kill this guy. I want to beat 35. I've never done it before. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. I want to kill this asshole. I want to get my ship and my emblem, yo!
Skolas, the fall.
Alright, so
Crack,
you're putting that
crack,
first
crack,
bubble?
crack. Yeah, I'm putting the first bubble down. Weapons of light.
Fuck the burn, Da Vinci. Fuck the burn.
Fuck, it's always galley burn.
It's always galley burn. We've been saying this all day.
Bubbles up.
Literally, always galley burn. Alright, let's get out of there.
Oh, what do you know? Another 4 rockets. Because I have ruin wings. Fuck yes.
Fuck yeah.
See, I can't wait to ascend my fucking helmet and be able to wear my wings. That's another reason I want to get this fucker done.
Oh, and you know, full rockets. Hell yeah.
Where's he at? Come on. Let him come to that fucking edge with the fucking 10 seconds. Come on.
Guardian down.
Whoa, what the hell?
I got
Oh, there's
sniped.
ads in the lab. And
I'm not
there's...
gonna get back.
He's here. God dang it. Revolter, you gotta go, 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 go!
Should I pop my bubble up there?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Well, what, run? You got stuff behind you. You got a captain behind you. Jump, 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 jump.
Nope, sorry.
You went invisible right as the fucking tracer round hit you, and it took your invisibility off.
You wanna give me... You wanna do this the old school way, Da Vinci? You wanna give me 6 minutes? One for my... Or, no, you know what? I'll just use my galley once. My galley synth. And then I'll have full galleys for that first time, because you already have full galleys and probably a synth to use, right?
I have 4 galleys, and then I have the synth.
I got 5 of my arcs.
Because we won't have enough time without the solar burn. We can get them probably to like half, maybe, but we can't get them to.
Right. Nothing all the way dead.
Yeah, we could probably get him to half, and that's probably it.
So you want to let me wait 5 minutes and get synth and use it midway through that battle?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. We're gonna try and use 2 full sets of rockets on him, Big C, during the wait, like during the first 20 seconds.
He says all he saw was 365 Fate Bringers and Patience and Times, and they stunned the shit out of him. What'd you say now? Sorry.
Yeah, I know Fatebringers and Patience and Times. I know.
Yeah, no, I know. Okay, I was just saying what Clayton said.
No, I know.
I need to pop my bubble on him. And we need to get that Patience and Time in his dome piece. I was getting 7 grand damage every time I hit him. And then if we can get him to follow us and come around that corner and we kill that second servitor over there, right out the top, if I can hit him, I can hit him with all 5 of my rockets, and that should damn near break his chains. If I can get enough
We're
shots
planning on
into him.
breaking his chains that first round.
Alright. So I'll get him with as many shots as I can with the sniper rifle.
I'm gonna try and get 14 galleys into his face. That's my goal.
Yep.
Dude, that Iron Banner helmet for the damn hunter is pretty wicked.
I know.
We waiting for some synth?
Yep. Gallahorn was doing a lot of damage there, though. Did you notice that?
Oh yeah, and Will's doing a shit ton.
And everyone we're seeing has to rotate anyways, so
Mm-hmm.
we have to rotate anyways. We might as well Gallahorn twice and then rotate. Alright, let's see when I think is that. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, I want to wear a different armor set. Don't touch me, don't help.
The thing with 33, oh, never mind.
I find a shelf when I pick up an orb. That helmet makes this head look so small.
I'm gonna have a lot of galley, so I want my ruin wings. I want to nuke
Yep.
this one bunch.
Does the Osiris rotate his gear out every week, so he's not going to have the chest piece next week, huh?
Correct.
Damn it. Well, maybe I'll get the helmet. Or the gauntlets. What did he have last week?
Gloves.
Oh, he had gloves.
So I think like you're gonna want the package for everything though, because the gear he's got is all strength.
Oh, Trials of Osiris. All his
Trials
gears.
gear's bomb.
That's what I'm talking about, the Trials gear.
Trial, they sold chest piece this week, they're selling boots this week. Or they sold chest piece last week, they're selling boots this week.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not worried about boots.
You ready, Rev?
Boots? Yeah. Let's do this. Alright.
Skolas, the traitor, kill.
It wasn't this hard to kill him in the mission and catch his ass.
Right?
Oh fuck, I'm turning around.
Nope. But now I can use the scent and fire at him from the other side. Alright, let him come back around a little bit. Yeah, Dad.
Bubbles in the back. Wallace is on the left.
Where is he? There we go, we got him.
Chains are broken.
I got a bubble.
Alright. You ready to use it?
Use it.
Bubbles up. Tell me when I need to absorb the poison.
Yeah. I'm at 10 seconds.
Okay, I'm taking
You
it.
can take it anytime now.
I got it. Bubble's gone. We need to move.
Alright, let's rotate.
Or no, the bubble's not gone. Just
Shit.
the fucking poison. Now it's gone.
Now the bell's gone.
I got 12 seconds. I'm at 10 seconds. Who's taking it?
Got it.
Okay.
I'm at 20. Fuck.
Alright, I can take it in 2 seconds.
Alright, I'm at 10 seconds. So, I have
Come here.
I got no bubble.
I got one.
Alright. That pop it is right. There we
Where
go.
is he?
He's over in the front, by the middle.
Sword guy. Sword guy in the bubble.
God damn it!
Fuck.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. Because I have the poison.
Damn it.
That's so close.
Galley? Yes. Yes, please.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Alright. That was perfect. The Gallahorn and the damn sniper rifle working together.
3 minutes.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna go out and get heavy since I have ruin wings, so...
Oh, I'll go with you.
Yeah, me too.
Face the trial of
Well, I'll go with you
Skolas.
because we have to.
yeah, you have to now. Please drop heavy. Oh man.
Yep.